New Trick Properties.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaskar.
My name is Sukriti Sharma. I am Customer Relation Executive at New Trick Properties.
Okay.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Asha Saraswat, and though I have worked for long, but now I am just a housewife.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So, can you please explain a little bit your journey with the New Trick? Like, how did you land up on New Trick when you were on your house hunt?
See, it was. It's not new actually. My brother-in-law has already purchased a property around 3 or 4 years back.
Okay.
He has a flat in NG Grand.
Oh, nice.
So I was very impressed with the surrounding of the society and the construction of that building. And now because my son is interested to make investment in a property, so I thought this would be the best option, because I have visited one more property at Jhansi Highway somewhere, AB Road.
Okay.
But I was not impressed with the construction over there, the kind of material, the way they are building up. So again, I asked my husband to get back to this place only. So first I visited this society at somewhere in near ITM University.
Yes, it's Garden City.
So, right.
One of our
So I went there and I loved those duplexes there.
Okay.
But my son was interested to have a flat. And we did not actually want to have a big property, just a small one. So we decided to own a one bedroom flat in the newly constructed building there. I think it's some Regency or
Regal Garden.
Regal Gardens.
Correct.
So we went there and I loved one flat.
Okay.
So we booked it there, then and there.
So when you were, planning, you might have visited also. Did you like the project?
I loved the projects of this New Trick group. Wherever I have been, like NG Grand was the first one. And before that, I've come to know that Silver State is also one of the projects of NG Grand only. This New Trick group only.
Correct.
So, I love the way they construct, the quality of the houses. And even the campus they used to provide, the greenery and all, I love it.
So ma'am, when you were looking for the home, so you might have found New Trick a bit expensive as well.
See, if you want quality, then it needs to be a bit expensive.
Correct.
So where you get a good quality, so price doesn't matter.
Okay. Will you recommend our project or our property to your relatives or friends?
Definitely. If anyone is interested to own a property, I would suggest first go and see the construction of New Trick groups. Later on, then find out other options also.
Correct.
Should see to make sure that you are not investing in a wrong place.
Thank you so much, ma'am. On the scale of 1 to 10, what will be the score you will give to us?
See, I have not yet been living in any of the societies of New Trick group. So for that reason only, I will grade it to 9 out of 10.
Okay.
If I would be living there and I would have experienced it, then I would have better given it 10 or 8, whatever.
Okay.
But with the kind of communication from this group, the project and the quality they are providing, I would rate 9 out of 10. Yeah, sure.
And ma'am, any feedback for the staff and services you have?
See, I'm very happy. So far, I have seen you and many people in that office that time. When I visited there.
Correct.
So everyone is very helpful and so kind of you people. You are serving very good to people.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And any feedback would you like to share with us? Anything you think that we should work on? Any particular feedback?
See, as I said, I have not yet been experienced with you people so closely, so
Yeah.
I
So
can't
once you
say
once you
anything.
start living, or maybe
Yeah, sure,
family,
definitely,
then-
definitely.
Sure. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was really nice talking to you.
Nice
Thank you so
talking to you. Thank you.